Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new video lecture. Students, in this video lecture, we are going to cover the assignments of chapter number 3. Okay, firstly I will remind you once again that in the previous video lectures we have done all the exercise or practice work of chapter 3rd. Now in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the word meaning and the question answer of the given chapter number 3rd. So let's start. Firstly, I will give you some instructions how you will write your CW copy. Students, you will write word meaning and question answer in your CW copy. Firstly, you will mention the CW and also the date of today. Okay. After that you will mention the chapter number and also you will mention the name of the chapter in your CW copy. After that you will start writing word meaning. Okay, so your first word is greenhouse. Your first word is greenhouse. What is the meaning of greenhouse? I have told you that अमाबेल प्लग्ड फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीन हाउस. अमाबेल ने ग्रीन हाउस से फूल जो है तोड़े थे. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस? ग्रीन हाउस इज़ अ glass house where plants are grown and kept protected. So students, greenhouse is a glass house. एक ऐसा glass house है where plants are grown and also they are kept protected. Okay, उनकी प्रोटेक्शन की जाती है और उनको ग्रो किया जाता है. It is such kind of a glass house. Now your second word is extraordinary. So students, what is the meaning of extraordinary? The meaning of extraordinary is uncommon. Now third one is potter. What is the meaning of potter? Potter is a person whose job is to carry luggage. Okay, potter एक ऐसा person होता है जो luggage को carry करता है और others things को भी carry करता है. A person whose job is to carry luggage, it is called, that person is called potter. Okay, now the fourth word is satin. What is the meaning of satin? The meaning of satin is shiny cloth. Okay, SHINY, shiny, CLOTH, cloth. What is the meaning of satin? The meaning of satin is shiny cloth. Now fifth one is greening. What is the meaning of greening? GRINNING. Okay, what is the meaning of greening? The meaning of greening is smiling. Okay, the meaning of greening is smiling. Now next one is six. Six is mayor. What is the meaning of mayor? Mayor is a person who is elected as head of a city and who is responsible for its government. So mayor is a person who is elected as head of city. Now the seventh one is board down. What is the meaning of board down? Board low. The meaning of board low is bent forward to show respect. Okay, what is the meaning of board low? The meaning of board low is bent forward to show respect. RESPECT. Okay, the meaning of board low is went forward to show respect. Now the last one is Last meaning is instruments of the band. Okay, these instruments of the band welcome एमा वेल. ओके, इसी ने एमा वेल का वेलकम किया था. एंड सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ द बैंड? सो द मीनिंग ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ द बैंड इज द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स which the band members were playing. Okay, there were some musical instruments. Okay, there were some musical instruments which the band members were playing. जो band members play कर रहे थे, these are called instruments of the band. Okay, this is the word meaning of the chapter number 3. Let's revise the word meaning of the given chapter. So first one is, the first meaning is greenhouse. What is the meaning of greenhouse? Greenhouse is a glass house where plants are grown and kept protected. Okay, greenhouse is a glass house where plants are grown and kept protected. Okay, now the second one is extraordinary. What is the meaning of extraordinary? The meaning of extraordinary is uncommon. Extraordinary, uncommon. Extraordinary, uncommon. So the meaning of extraordinary is uncommon. Now the third one is porter. What is the meaning of porter? The meaning of porter is a person whose job is to carry luggage. Okay, this porter टुक एमावेल टू द ट्रेन. ओके, ये पॉटर जो था वो अमावेल को ट्रेन में लेके गया था. ओके, और सो द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉटर इज़ अ पर्सन हुज जॉब इज़ टू कैरी लगेज. एक ऐसा पर्सन जिसका काम ही क्या होता है, वो लगेज को कैरी करके लेके जाता है. ओके, सो द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉटर इज़ अ पर्सन हुज जॉब इज़ टू कैरी लगेज. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज़, what is the meaning of word is fourth? Satin. Satin means shiny cloth. Okay, I have told you that Potter had worn satin. Okay, Potter ने satin cloth पहने हुए थे, white satin cloth पहना हुआ था. So the meaning of satin is shiny cloth. Okay, now the fifth one is greening. What is the meaning of greening? Greening. Greening. What is the meaning of greening? Greening means smiling. Okay, greening means smiling. Now sixth one is mayor. What is the meaning of mayor? Mayor is a person who is elected as head of a city. Okay, mayor is a person who is elected as head of a city. Now seventh one is board low. What is the meaning of board low? Board low means bent forward to show respect. Okay, what is the meaning of board low? बोर्ड लो मीन्स आगे की तरफ झुकना, टू शो रिस्पेक्ट. ओके, रिस्पेक्ट दिखाने के लिए जब हम किसी के सामने थोड़ा सा झुक जाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड बोर्ड लो. एंड नाउ द लास्ट वर्ड मीनिंग इज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ द बैंड. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ द बैंड? The musical instruments which the band members were playing. Okay, all the musical instruments which the band members were playing. Okay, now this was the word meaning of the given chapter number 3. Now students, you will write the question answer. You will mention in your copy question number B, and you will also write answer these question in your CW copy. After that you will write your first question number first. What is the question number first? Question number first is, where was Emma Will's home and where did her brother go to school? Okay, you will write this question, and after that you will write the answer in your copy. So let's discuss the question number first. Where was Emma Will's home? Emma Will का home कहाँ पे था? I have told you while discussing about the story. मैंने आपको बताया था. Okay, so the Emma Will's home was in Amberley. Okay, I have told you many times that Emma Will's home was in Amberley. And where did her brother go to school? her brother went to rugby to school. Okay, her brother her brother went to rugby to school. Okay, so what is the answer? Amabel's home was in Amberley and her brother went to rugby to school. Okay, what is the answer? Amabel's home was in Amberley and her brother went to rugby to school. So that is for today, students. You will write the word meaning or the question answer in your CW copy. Okay, these are the word meaning and these are the question answer. You will write it in your CW copy. Okay, and also you will learn all the word meaning and question answer. Okay, we will meet tomorrow with the new video lecture, and in that particular video lecture we will discuss about the remaining question answer of the chapter. Goodbye, students.